Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can enable call on our Instagram profile. For example, you may have observed on few Instagram accounts when you tap on their profile you'll see something like there is a call button here. So how they are keeping that call button? Yes, you also can keep that call button. In this tutorial I am showing you how to activate that call button. But before that, first to do that, your account should be not a personal account, a professional account or a business account. So this is the business account what I have created. So on this I can do that. So at the right top corner click on these three bars, and no, not that one. Click on edit profile here. See here, edit profile, and click on this public information. Oh no. You see here under public business information you will have an option called contact options. Tap on that and click on this one. This is the Instagram audio calling. Tap on that, and right now this is disabled. I just enabled it and press on this tick mark at top again. Done. So whenever any other person see here, there is a call option which is appeared here. So this is how you can enable a call option on your Instagram, provided if your account is a business account. I hope you like this. If you like this video, please do share it to your friends, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.